Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super useful topic, how to change the DNS server on your Mac. This is a quick and easy way to potentially improve your internet speed and security. Let's jump right in. First things first, head up to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and give it a click. Then, select System Settings. Okay, now that you're in System Settings, look for Network on the left-hand side menu. Click on that. Now, pay attention here. If you're connected to the internet using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're using an Ethernet cable, select your Ethernet connection below. I'm on Wi-Fi, so I'm clicking Wi-Fi. Next, click the Details button next to the network you're currently connected to. This will open up your network settings. In this new window, look for DNS in the left-hand menu and click on it. You'll see a DNS box appear. To add a new DNS server, simply click the plus symbol button. Now you can enter the DNS server address you want to use. In this example, I'm going to use Cloudflare's DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. But remember, there are other popular options like Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Choose the one that suits you best. Once you've entered the DNS server address, click OK. And that's it. You can now close out of System Settings. Your DNS server has now been successfully changed. Now, this is based on my own experience, so your setup might look a little different, but these steps should guide you through the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Also, I'll put some helpful links in the description for you to check out. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.